In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text on an image in Google Docs. This is a great way to enhance your documents by integrating images and text seamlessly, adding a professional touch to presentations, reports, or creative projects. Let's dive right in and see how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to begin by inserting your chosen image into the Google Docs document. Do this by navigating to the Insert menu at the top of your screen, selecting Image, and then choosing the source of your image, whether it's from your computer, Google Drive, or a URL. Once your image appears in the document, you'll need to type the text you want to place onto the image directly below it. This sets the initial layout, so you can start imagining how your final document will appear. Next, let's take a look at the image wrapping options. This is a critical step to ensure your text sits nicely over the image. Click on the image once to highlight it. You'll notice a toolbar appearing just below. Look for an icon that says Behind Text. Click on that. This option allows your text to overlay the image, giving you the flexibility to arrange the elements prettily within your document. With the wrapping adjusted, we're halfway there. Now on to the positioning. You'll want to make sure that your image and text are aligned perfectly to match your vision. This involves some hands-on work with your mouse or trackpad. Click and drag the image to move it behind your text. Don't worry if this part requires a bit of finesse. Sometimes it's necessary to move the text itself to get everything just right. By experimenting with the positioning, you can achieve a harmonious layout that is both visually appealing and accessible to readers. A few tips to keep in mind. Ensure that your text remains legible against the background of the image. You might find that adjusting the font color, style, or size makes a significant difference in readability. Additionally, remember to double-check your finished document for any formatting tweaks required. Often, a small adjustment can greatly enhance the overall presentation. And there you have it, a polished document with text elegantly written on an image. This technique allows you to effectively communicate your ideas while enhancing the visual quality of your documents. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found these steps easy to implement in your own projects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.